If you're planning to apply for immigration visa and you are married, these are some of the things you need to put into consideration to ensure that your visa goes through. And I'm here to give you some of the updates. My name is Nurse Mary, and you are welcome to Nursing and Updates. Now, if you are married, before you use that your wedding certificate to apply for visa, what type of registry did you do? Did you do traditional marriage? In Nigeria, we often used to do traditional marriage and we value traditional marriage a lot. And then some people will now proceed to do white wedding, maybe in the church. And then you did Muslim related marriage. Any type of marriage you did, what type of registry did you do? Now, first and foremost, if you did registry marriage, which we commonly call court marriage, if you did registry stroke court marriage, that your certificate you have and you are given is very valid and it is recognized anywhere in the world. So therefore, you can use it for immigration. Now, the next question is, do I have to change my name to my husband's name to apply for anything immigration outside the country? Now, the answer is yes and no. If you choose to change to your husband's name, it is very good, acceptable, and applaudable. It gives the immigration people more conviction that this person is actually married and they will give you the maximum attention you desire. However, it is not also bad to decide to keep your name if you feel like it is too stressful, because in this modern days and age it's quite stressful to change name. Your name is quite different from your certificate. It's mentally exhausting. If you've ever tried it, it's not just easy to just change your name like that. Now, if you wish to keep your own name, there's nothing wrong with it. Just ensure that while you are applying for anything immigration, you put up your wedding photo, especially UK, you put up your wedding photos, you put up every single information to convince them that you are married, and ensure that your marriage certificate, the one you got from court, is the one you are uploading, not the one you got from church. Now, this is for people that did local government registry. If you did local government registry, please listen and listen good. The certificate you have is only valid in Nigeria. Let me repeat my statement. If you did local government registry, that is to say you finish your marriage, traditional marriage, and you did white wedding maybe in the church, or you did a Muslim related marriage or anything, and you went ahead to register marriage in the local government, that marriage certificate is only valid in Nigeria and it is not recognized any other place in the world, which means you are not expected to use it for immigration, else they will term it fake and even ban you and even accuse you of forgery and even ban you from even applying till the next 20 years or any type of punishment they deem fit to give to you. Now, I am here to give you a solution. You already have a local government registry and are planning to apply for visa. What is the first thing you are going to do? The first thing you are going to do is to go back to the status quo. Go to the nearest court, a recognized court around you. Explain to them that you got married so day and so day with photo evidences. Give them the marriage certificate, the one you got from the local government. Now, they are not going to do anything with it because they only want evidence to prove that, yeah, you are married. You pay them some certain amount and they will take you through the normal processes of the processes you are supposed to have gone through if you did registry marriage. That is the one we call aka court marriage, and they will put you through the normal process and then they will register you with the date of the wedding you did, and the one you did, the registration you already have from the local, they will use the same dates to register for you. However, the issuing date will not be that day that you did that wedding. Now, They will put you based on publicity. Me, I'm a Catholic, and there's something we call banns of marriage. So they have their own form of announcing the marriage to the public. They might put it in newspaper and the rest of them, and it has some number of days it have to stay. The longer the number of days it stays, the less expensive the amount they charge you is. So there are some that will stay for 9 days. The 9 days you pay more, and some will stay for like 21 days. That of 21 days, you will have to pay less. But after doing all these things, they would not issue a certificate you would use to make this application. That one you got from court is very valid and is quite easy. However, if you have already, I'm talking about this court aspect, if you've not already applied at all, please go to the court and get court registered marriage certificate. That is the only certificate that is very recognized by any immigration body. Any certificate given to you by the local government, it is not recognized. But if you've already applied and there is a problem, or you are already outside the country and then there is a question about your marriage certificate, there is no problem. There is still something you are going to do. What do you need to do? You need to contact Ministry of Interior, Abuja. And if you want me to help you get the address of Ministry of Interior, Abuja, you can drop a comment. I sure would see it, and I'm going to respond to you as swiftly as possible. You get to the Ministry of Interior Abuja and explain your problem to them. They are going to ask you for some documents to prove that you really did marry and registered in the claimed local government. They are going to carry out in-depth investigation to confirm your claim, and when they do, they are going to register you into their own buyer data. Remember that local government registration is not registered under Ministry of Interior, which is the only marriage body international body recognizes. It is registered under civil marriage, which is recognized in Nigeria but not beyond. Now they are now going to enter your data into their own using your mind and now give you backup letter to tell that this person is not lying about the certificate. This person has been married, has been registered somewhere, and we have confirmed that, and we are giving you the backup letter to go ahead and give this person the maximum attention the person needs. I hope I've been able to explain and you have been able to get one or two things. If that is the case, please give me a follow and hit the like button. Drop your question, your comment, anything confusing in the comment section, and I promise and I'm going to attend to it. And please, I'll see you in the next video. My name is Nurse Mary, signing off.